Hey friends, welcome back to another Rebounder review video. I have a brand new Rebounder model from the brand Kinzone. I have reviewed Kinzone trampolines before. I really like my Kinzone trampoline. I think it's such good quality for the price. There are a lot of very expensive rebounders on the market, and I'm certain all of them are fantastic, but a lot of them are very, very expensive and not an option for everyone. And so I love that Kinzone puts out rebounder options that are both high quality and affordable. And they have a brand new model right now. It is the ProBounce. It is available only in the 40-inch at this point. And while it is a little bit more expensive than their base models, it is still in the very affordable range. So I'm really excited to try it out, to put it together and to experience the bounce and see, what makes it different. We are also going to be doing a giveaway of this model of rebounder at the end of the video, so be sure to stick around for that. But before we get there, we are going to open up the box. We are going to put everything together, so you will see all of that, and then we're going to try it out, and I'll give you my review of the bounce. So this is how it comes in the box. We're going to be doing a lot of assembling. You can see that none of the bungees are attached. We're going to be doing that all. Another fun thing that you will notice is the different color bungees. It's kind of got a rainbow bungee system, which is really fun. We have the user manual that I will be referring to. There is the mat. It's got this pretty blue edging on it, and the pieces of the frame. And then this is a tool to put the bungees on, which comes in very handy. So you can tell by looking at this that it is not a foldable rebounder. Some of their other models are foldable, but this one is not. In this box we have the legs, and they are screw-on legs. The first thing we're going to do is connect the frame, and I really like the connector here. You don't have to use screws. They just pop together like that. That is very handy. So incredibly easy. That was great. Now I'm going to go ahead and wait, am I supposed to screw on the legs first? Now I'm going to go ahead and screw on all of the legs. Now I'm going to get the mat laid out here, and I'll show you the clips for the bungees. These are a little bit different than the Kinzone model that I have. They have metal clips on there. These ones are a little different, where each side of the bungee has its own little slot to go in. So that is different. I'm going to get my frame set on here. So I'm going to go around one by one in my color order and get the bungees hooked into the lower groove. And so then when I'm ready, I'll be able to use my my tool here and put all of the bungees on. But when you put them on, you want to make sure you don't just go one after the other. You would do one on this side, one on that side, one on this side, one on that side. And so it's kind of evenly getting stretched out as you go. I'll give you a quick up-close view here for the last one. So I have my bungee hooked onto the bottom hook, and I'm making sure that my clasp here is not touching the frame, it's not touching the clip. I just kind of want it kind of somewhere in the middle here. And so we're taking the small end of our tool and hooking the big end on the hook we want the bungee to go on, and then we just use it as a lever to hook it right in there. It's super, super easy. I did want to note that there are no extra bungees with this one, but they do have them on the Kinzone website now. So you can just, grab a pack, and then you'd have plenty extra, and they're pretty inexpensive. So all in all, this really did not take very long to put together. There's no handlebar on this model, so you don't have to worry about adding that. I don't prefer a handlebar on my rebounders anyway, but that is one thing if you do prefer a handlebar to keep in mind. I absolutely love the rainbow bungees. I just think that's so fun. Let's give it the flip, the moment of truth. There is the rebounder. So the rainbow bungees are a little bit hidden. I kind of wish you could see them a little bit more because I just think they're so pretty. But you do get this really nice skirt on the Kinzone rebounder, which is great for if you have little people bouncing and you don't want tiny feet to be slipping through here. That is fantastic. But when you bounce, you will get to, you know, the rainbow bungees will peek out a little bit, which is really, really fun. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a bounce here. The rebound is really nice. It's very smooth. I think it is smoother than the other model that I have. Like, it gives you a nice spring back. That's what you want in a rebounder. You want it to rebound you back. Ooh, I do really like this bounce. One thing I love about the Kinzone rebounder that I have and this one is that the bungees are very long. If you get a rebounder with very, you know, small bungees, like a small circle, not the width of the bungee itself, but like the circle, the circumference of the circle, the bounce will be very flat. Like, you get to the end of it and it's kind of like jarring. With the Kinzone rebounders, they have a nice long bungee, and so it's more of your body weight that is the end of your bounce rather than getting to the end of your bounce with the end of the bungee, if that makes sense. It's nice and soft, but it's not so soft that I feel like I wouldn't be able to keep up with a exercise video. Like if I was doing a video on YouTube, I think I'd be able to keep up. I also feel like the bungees are soft enough that the edges are also soft. The center is going to be always the softest part of any rebounder, but the edges are also nice and soft. You do get a tiny bit of sound from the skirt swooshing on the bungees, but it's not like a squeaky rebounder or anything like that. It's just a small swooshy sound. Putting together your rebounder is often your first rebounder workout, which is fantastic. Isn't that what we got it for? To, you know, get a workout in. So anyways, I am a huge fan of this model. I think it is a great option if you're ready to go to something a little bit more pro, like you're into the rebounding, you want to get something a little higher end with that softer bounce, but you don't want to break the bank. This is fantastic. Again, if you don't need a handlebar, this is a great option for you. It does only come in the 40-inch right now. I don't know if they're going to add the 48-inch or another size at all of this, but one thing to keep in mind is that you can only get the 40-inch right now. So it is on the smaller side, but still it's going to work for any kind of like YouTube rebounder workout or anything like that. For being a smaller rebounder, it still has a nice soft bounce. Of course, the bigger the rebounder you get, the softer bounce you're gonna get because there's just more room and more bungees. But this one, even with the smaller size, it has a really nice bounce and a really nice rebound. It's really hard to describe bounces on rebounders, but they do vary so much that I feel like it's important to try to describe it a little bit. So I feel like some rebounders, they can be soft, but not very springy, like they don't spring back quickly. Then there's also some that are jarring where it's like, you get to the end of the bounce too quickly and it's kind of like too stiff, too hard. And then you have to work hard to rebound back. And then some, you jump on it and it springs you back up. So it's soft, but not so soft that you're like stuck down at the bottom and it's slow to come back up. This rebounder, I feel like, has a nice spring to it. It's not super, super soft where you're like falling into it and then having a hard time coming back. It's got a really nice spring back to it, if that makes sense. So I do think that it will be nice for like keeping time if you're doing some kind of a choreographed exercise video or something like that. You don't want a super soft rebounder for that. You want something that is smooth and gives you that nice rebound. And I feel like this one is gonna be fantastic for that. I think for my exercise, when I do exercise videos, I think this is the one that I am gonna choose for that. I have a bigger rebounder that has a much softer bounce, and I find that that one is best for when I just leisurely want to bounce. It's more like when I'm not trying to keep time or anything, I'm just wanting to casually bounce, maybe while I'm watching a YouTube video or something, and so I use the much softer bounce for that. But I think this one is gonna be my go-to now for exercise videos where I want a soft, smooth bounce, but I also want it firm enough that I'm able to keep time. This is gonna be fantastic for that. So I am doing a giveaway with Kinzone for this model of rebounder, and I think it's perfect for New Year's. Lots of people are making New Year's resolutions and wanting to get more movement in their life, and I think rebounding is a fantastic way to get fun movement in your life. If you don't make it fun, for me, I have found personally that the resolutions don't stick. I have to make it enjoyable for myself. And now that I've been rebounding for, I think, a year and a half or so, like it has stuck. And I think one of the main reasons is because I enjoy it so very, very much. So I am going to have all of the details of the giveaway in the description of this video. So be sure to go and read that through. But basically to enter, what you're going to do is go down into the comments under this video and leave a comment that has the words New Year's Bounce in it. It doesn't have to be a hashtag or anything like that. Just make sure it has the words New Year's Bounce in it, and that will be your entry into the giveaway. Also, you're gonna wanna make sure that you are following me here on YouTube, you're subscribed to my channel, and also that you go over and subscribe to Kinzone's channel as well. I will have their link in the description. At noon Pacific time, I'm Pacific time, so at noon Pacific time, I will go through all of the comments, and all of the ones that have New Year's Bounce in them will be entered, and I will at random pick a winner. And make sure that you have the notifications turned on for your YouTube and for my channel so that if I reply to your comment, you get notified about it. If I reply to a comment and tell someone that they're the winner and then I don't hear from them, I don't get an email from them, I will have to pick another winner. So make sure you have notifications turned on so that you see if you win. That's the most important part. So the winner will get a reply to their comment from me, and the only thing that I will ever tell the winner to do is to email me at indigoliza@gmail.com. If you get a reply to your comment, even if it looks like me telling you to do anything besides that, you can be sure that it is a scammer and don't follow any of their links or do anything that they're trying to ask you to do. The only thing I will ever ask a winner to do is email me at indigoliza@gmail.com. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Be sure to check out the ProBounce over on Kinzone's website and enter the giveaway down below. Happy New Year, everybody, and I will see you again in the next video.